Monanirio to mathithio ntukuyanarua ni Purity Richard na ningeto Maureen Kinya. Mutongeria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio na uria urachowaga giti kia urais Raila Odinga na itete ntumiri ya kuregana na Mpumi iri iratumirirwe Dr. William Ruto ni amuchindite na mung'anajwa kura ngiri magana jairi za 33. Raila norotete mukaririgiti wa IBC Wafula CHEBUKATI akiuga atithingatirite mawatho ja ithurano na kinya ja katiba. Raila neregeri gukinyithia koti ya Supreme Court egambari ya kuregana na Mpumi ji mbere ya ntuku mugwanja ithira.
Wafula CHEBUKATI, Chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, hereby declares that Ruto William Samoei has been duly elected as the President of the Republic of Kenya under the provisions of Article 138 of the Constitution in the presidential election.
Nyuma ya mukaririgete wa kamiti ya mianka na ithurano IBC gotumeria ati Dr. William Samoei Ruto niwe muchindi wa giti kia urais ogorobwegoro nande uria urachowaga giti ogike na mwabure jwa Azimio na arirete ntumeri eje.
But yesterday, August 15th, our budding democracy suffered a major setback.
Raila Odinga ni amenerete wathani bwa Wafula CHEBUKATI na kuga boteagirete na ati ni bwa udikteta.
The law does not vest in the chairperson the powers of a dictator to rule the IBC unilaterally. The IBC is structured as a democratic institution in which decisions must be taken either by consensus or by a vote of the majority. The chairperson and a tiny minority of commissioners have no legal authority to take weighty decisions and proclaim them as the rulings of the IEBC.
Netete na mbere na kuga mukaririgete ojo na ari na muchemanyo na commissioner bange na bana kerebo bachebane na Mpumi ji.
Barely 2 hours before his announcement, Mr. CHEBUKATI called a meeting of the IEBC and revealed to them the different results he was going to announce. 4 of the 7 protested Mr. CHEBUKATI's actions. But Mr. CHEBUKATI, whose mind appeared made up, did not entertain any discussion of the results, precipitating a walkout by a majority of the commissioners, who promptly denounced the results at a press conference. We know what happened next.
Raila nande ni atumiretie kuregana na Mpumi chagete kia urais na kuongera gote rais muthure.
Our view in Azimio is clear. The figures announced by Mr. CHEBUKATI are null and void. I repeat, the figures announced by Mr. CHEBUKATI are null and void and must be quashed by a court of law. In our view, there is neither a legally and validly declared winner nor a president-elect.
Na kuinyeria bagacho antaira cha watho kuregana na itua ria CHEBUKATI.
Let no one take the law into their own hands. We are pursuing constitutional and lawful channels and processes to invalidate Mr. CHEBUKATI's illegal and unconstitutional pronouncement. We are certain that justice will prevail.
Maureen Kinya, Wero TV.